equals to cos 90 minus theta, and cos theta equals to sin 90 minus theta. You understand? So this is what we want to use to get this, to be able to solve what we have here. We have question here that was sent that, oh, please help us to solve this. We need video on how to get this and blah. So when you have trigonometry question this way, this is just one of these simple questions on trigonometry that you can easily solve without any problem. Now, one thing we have to do to solve this, I would like to take us on a little journey and see how do we be able to solve something related to this. So before we start, when you have a question like sine into x plus 20 close bracket equals to cos 60 degree, the first thing you need to do is either you change this your sine to cos, or you change this your cosine to sine. You understand? It's either you change it your sine to cosine, or you change this your cosine to sine, so that everything will have the same trigonometry. That is, this one will be sine and this one will be sine, or this one will be cos and this one will be cos, before you now equate the angles together. Now, but before we go there, I don't know, you must know this law that says sine theta equals to cos 90 minus theta, and cos theta equals to sine 90 minus theta. You understand? So this is what we want to use to get this, to be able to solve what we have here. You need this to solve what you have here. And if you want to solve this, there is a way we get this. Probably in my next video, I'm going to show us how sin theta equals to cos 90 minus theta, and how cos theta equals to sin 90 minus theta. You understand? I'm going to try and do video on this on my next video. Then we'll see how sin theta equals to cos 90 minus theta, and how cos theta equals to sin 90 minus theta. So with this, let's go into the solution. We have sin x plus 20 equals to cos 60 degree. Now, let's look at it. Let's start from here. Let's equate this cos 60. Let's change it to sine now. We don't want cosine now. We want to change our cosine to sine. Then how do we do that? We know from here cos theta equals to what? Sine 90 minus theta. And at this point, our theta is now what? Our theta is now 60 degree. So that means our cos 60 degree will be equals to sine 90 minus 60 degree. That means our cos 60 degree equals to sine 30 degree. That's why when you take your calculator and you press cos 60 degree, it's the same answer you will get when you press sine 30 degree. That is what that one is saying. So with this now, I cannot say my sine x plus 20 will be equals to cos 60 is now what? Sine 30 degree. Do you get that? Okay, good, very good. Before we continue, don't forget to click the follow button. Click the follow button and share to your loved ones. Share to people. Let them also enjoy what you are enjoying. Share it. So with this, from here, since we both have sine x plus 20 equals to sine 30 degree, the only thing we just need to do, you are through with your work. The only thing we just have to do is to equate the angles together. So since we said this one will be equals to this, and they are both sine, then the only thing, equating the angles now. Now what do? We just say x plus 20 equals to 30. Just equate these angles together. So with this, you can collect the lifetime, or we say subtract 20 from both sides, or you say you take this to this other side, then we say our x equals to what? 30 minus 20. That means our x equals to what? 10 degree, right? And that is all. So x now is what? 10 degree. Then you can find out if what you have done is correct. If you now go here and say sine, don't forget that sine x plus 30 equals to cos 60. Now what is our x? Now we have already gotten our x to be what? To be 10. We have gotten our x to be what? which is 10, this is 10, sorry. This is 20 from the question, x plus 20. Now, we have gotten our x to be 10. So, by substitution, now we can say sine 10 plus 20 equals to cos 60. So, and this is giving us sine 30 equals to cos 60. So, if you press your calculator with this, you are going to get the same answer. It is very, very easy. Don't forget to click the follow button, share it, join us on our YouTube page, Math with Matthew, on Facebook, Math with Matthew, on our TikTok. Follow us, and if you have any question that you think you can solve and you want us to clarify or help you to solve it, don't hesitate to message or drop inbox us or drop your message on the comment section. We'll pick it up from there and we are going to do justice to it. Thank you. Love you. Bye.